Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. While you might need to undertake a mental shift for this one, it will help you in the face of depression. Thoughts of things that have gone wrong can become an obsession, especially when you are depressed. What makes it worse is thinking that what happened was your fault. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, you will have to shift your focus. Think about what you might do in the future so that what went wrong in the present won't happen again. When you face any kind of disappointment in life, things can get doubly difficult due to depression. Don't give in to those negative thoughts and patterns of behavior. Instead, do something that will help you learn from your mistakes. Don't think you aren't good at your job just because of a minor setback. Use it as a learning experience to succeed in the future. May God bless you.